There's one thing that can make someone new in IT or even an IT professional with over 15 years of experience to want to quit on the spot, and it has to do with the paper trail. Printers are the most technically chaotic device in any office network. That I can tell. They look simple, right? I mean, you plug it and then you print. Your work is done. But behind that beige box is a disaster waiting to happen. And I can assure you, every IT admin has a printer story that still haunts them till this very moment. I'm going to explain to you why printers are genuinely one of the hardest things to support in IT. And it's not even the paper jam, so there are 4 layers of failures that most people never see. The fourth one will genuinely surprise you. The first one is the driver's problem. Every printer needs a driver's, right? Softwares that tells Windows how to talk to it. But printer drivers are notoriously unstable. A window update ships overnight and silently breaks the driver. And at 9 a.m., nobody in the entire building can print. The fix sounds simple now. Just reinstall the broken drivers, Abby. Except the old broken driver is still cached somewhere in Windows Print Spooler and corrupting every new install until you manually have to clear it through the registry. 2. The spooler. The Windows Print Spooler is a service that queues print jobs. So when it crashes, and I'll show you, it crashes very often. No one on the network can print anything, not one page. So the entire queue freezes. So every user calls IT simultaneously. The printer is not working, the printer is not working. The fix is a 20-second service restart. But finding why it actually crashed and stopping it from happening again in the future is a different investigation altogether. 3. Network printers versus local printing. Shared network printers add a server layer, a permissions layer, a port layer, and a group policy layer on top of the hardware. So a printer that works perfectly when you plug it to one computer will completely be unreachable across the network because of a single misconfigured IP reservation or a firewall rule that nobody ever documented. 4. The printer's own web server. Most modern network printers run an embedded web server for administration. Some run outdated firmwares with known vulnerabilities that have not been patched in many years. So IT isn't just fixing your print job. They are managing a network device with its own attack surface sitting within a corporate network. So when a user says the printer isn't working, that's not a problem statement. That's the beginning of an investigation that involves drivers, spooler services, network ports, IP conflicts, firewall rules, Active Directory permissions, or even outdated firmware on a device that costs about £80 or in Naira equivalent, 150k.